Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to make homemade bread. So we need yeast, sugar, vegetable oil, some warm water, and not hot, warm water. Then you're going to need some all-purpose flour and some salt. So first you're going to start by blooming the yeast. So you put the yeast, the sugar, the warm water. Then we're going to keep it in a warm place for like 5 minutes. It's going to bloom, but if you're using instant yeast, you don't need to do that. Then you're going to add in our oil and then our flour and a bit of salt. So all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So then you're going to start the kneading process. So it's just putting the dough together. So just knead like you need your kawaida chapos. So this will take like roughly 10 minutes, and at the end the dough will not be sticking to your arms or the surface, and it will be soft. After that you are going to apply a bit of oil on top, then put it in the bowl and cover with a cling film, then keep it in a warm place. This will take about 45 to 2 hours depending on how warm your place is, and then the dough will have doubled in size. Then punch out the air, put it in a flat surface, roll it out, and then you're going to fold it like I'm going to do on the video. So like that you fold it, and then also the edges. Then you're going to put it in a baking tin that has been oiled or greased with margarine. You can as well use some parchment paper, just use the one that you prefer. Then we are going to apply some oil like we did in the first time, then keep it in a warm place again for like 30 to 45 minutes. It will have doubled in size. After that, you are going to apply an egg wash. This is basically an egg that you beat and then you apply on top to give it that golden brown color. Then you are going to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. I baked mine for 33 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and see how it is looking. So good, and it is also very soft. So make sure you try out the recipe, and I'm sure you're going to like it, and if you do, tag me. You can also check on my Instagram how I used this bread. I really like making homemade French toast with this. They're usually the best. Or you can just have it plain, just apply some peanut butter, some jam, and enjoy.